Where is the best destination for you to go on holiday, and how do destinations promote themselves to make sure that you do go there on holiday? Well, one place is the World Travel Market, which happens every year at the ExCeL in London. I was recently there for about the 4th time, and I think this probably will be the last time as well. Now, it's a very fun event and you get to see all different destinations, airlines, all sorts of different companies to make contacts if you are in the travel industry, or just to go and have a nose around if you like to do a little bit of traveling. But for me this year, it really did show that some companies and the people that run this event are so far off the mark of what tourism is all about and what you guys are looking for. It was very agenda, it was very woke, and to be honest, it was a lot of BS. However, I did go around and speak to some fantastic people while I was there, and there are some very interesting sights to see. You can pretty much travel the world at the ExCeL. But anyway, let me know what you think. Here are some highlights of the World Travel Market 2024. I must say I was very impressed with the Canary Island stand. They were really pushing hard to get people to come to the Canary Islands, and that is what we want. So welcome to Dubai. Let me take you through and show you what it's all about. Look at this. This is unbelievable, look. You actually feel like, well, you could be walking through Dubai. Look, there I am. Absolutely incredible, the technology that you have here, look at that. So this area is certainly where it's all happening. Saudi Arabia, the Red Sea, Dubai. This is the glitz and glamour, and this could be a little bit a Mr TravelON in the future. Who knows where we're gonna go? But I tell you what, it's exciting in this area. Let me show you some more amazing places. Well, we're taking you around the world today because we're here at Abu Dhabi. Let's go take a look. I tell you what, the work that has gone in to promoting the Middle East is just incredible. This is what it's all about. Could this be the future of travel? Look at this. Again, fully immersive experience. Wow, look at that. So you could be walking through the streets of Abu Dhabi here, look. They're doing all the presentation, the demonstrations. Wow, look at that. That's incredible. Making the tea, sweets and different things. That is just magical, no? You can travel the world without traveling the world. So should you come here as a visitor? Well, if you're interested in travel, it's a nice day out to see all the different destinations. If you're in the travel business like me, well, it's been kind of useful. There's been some different things and some different presentations, and you can meet some contacts. But for me, it's more about seeing the different destinations and what's going to be popular for the future. As you know, I live in the Canary Islands, but it can't just be about the Canary Islands for Mr TravelON. I think if I'm going to have a travel channel, I've got to spread my wings a little bit. And here, well, I can see just where I need to go. So they also have these areas here where they do conferences, just talking about different things in travel. And I'm going to head into this one here, which is all about marketing. So let's go see what it's all about. So definitely not for me, these presentations and speakers. I think they should have Mr TravelON up there next year. What do you think? World Travel Market, if you're seeing this video, I think you definitely need Mr TravelON up there, because I'm on the ground in the travel market. I've been to sit in quite a few of these sort of presentations and things like that, and I just personally, and this is just my personal opinion, think that this corporate attitude in travel, well, it's very corporate, and the travel industry is not really a corporate industry. It's a fun industry. So you all need to lighten up and get to speak to real people that are on holiday and real people that are traveling, which is exactly what I do. So who knows, maybe I'll be up there one day. Here we go, look, bit of entertainment as well while we're here. Absolutely fantastic, look. Well, you can't beat that, can you? So let me take you upstairs. The place is absolutely huge. I mean, there's different halls where you've got Europe, Middle East, Africa, Asia. You've got all sorts. So you could spend a good couple of days here. This is day 2 for me. Yes, I'd do day 1 is sort of finding your bearings and stuff like that. Day 2 is just sort of having another look around at what you looked at the other day and getting loads of freebies as well. Yes, most of the stands give away little freebies. It's like a souvenir heaven. If you like souvenirs, well, wait till you see these. Yeah. Tanzania, there you go. Right, we're in Tanzania and we might have a chance to win something here. You know I like something for free. So I've got to scan that. Do I need to do anything else?
Follow the instructions.
I'll follow the instructions. We'll do that in a minute because I want to get my hands in here. Right, I better win something.
You've got to choose one of the green ones.
I've got to choose a green one. Right, it's better be a treat of a lifetime. Could it? Come on. Imagine I won the biggest prize. It's a chocolate. I'm allergic to chocolate. No, I'm not. I'm going to eat it anyway. Fantastic. Thank you very much. There you go. You can have a bit of fun as well. So some of the exhibitors are really sort of hands-on. You know, they want to talk to you. Some tend to just sit there. I have noticed some are just not worth the money they're getting paid, and especially early doors because, well, let's face it, they're all here with their work colleagues and I'm sure they've had a few drinks the night before. So in the afternoon, they tend to pick up a little bit, but in the morning, well, you can see the hangovers are kicking in. Now this is a place that I am going to visit very soon, and that's Morocco. Because it's literally a 45-minute flight across the water for me. And look at this, he's making all the tea. There you go, look. You could see Mr TravelON in Agadir. What do you reckon? If you like Formula 1, look, you can come and have a little go in this. I think it's like a fully immersive machine. That looks lots of fun, doesn't it? Here we go, look at this. Bahrain, an island limitless. Let me take you through here. Wow, look at this. Incredible. Incredible lots. They do the Formula 1. Here we go, look, Mr TravelON's favourite sport, a little bit of cycling. But I reckon I could live with that, look. You literally sit in front of a screen and you're not getting in anybody's way, are you? What an invention. Happy days. Right then, let's get a bit closer to home because we're in the Europe section now. It's the biggest section here because there's so many places. You've got Italy, you've got Sardinia, you've got Canary Islands, Spain, Portugal, everywhere. Benidorm, Cyprus. Europe is massive. So let me take you on a little tour of Europe and see what's going on. So it's certainly not as glamorous, but one of the biggest stands, which I'm very proud to say, is the Canary Islands, look. And they have really gone to town here. Loads of video screens, very, very nice. And it's quite big as well, look. You've got all the different hotels here, some of which Mr TravelON has already done some videos in. And there's lots of things going on in this area. Here we go, let's have a little look here. You've got all the different Canary Islands, look, you've got La Palma, Lanzarote and Graciosa, of course, Tenerife. There's a few more around here, look. That is really cool, no? Canary Islands, you have done good, I reckon. We really do stand out in the Europe section. When you look around, the Canary Islands is sort of centre and looks big, bold and beautiful. Maybe it'll attract some visitors to these beautiful islands. And of course, if you are coming to the Canary Islands, you know where to book all your trips, tours and excursions on www.travelon.world. I may as well do a little bit of cheeky promotion while I'm here. Anyway, let's go and see what else we can find. This guy's making chocolate. Look.
Recyclable paper. So the packaging using this chocolate is made with the husk of the cacao. So this is the starting point of the good, nice chocolate. Actually.
There you go. Look, you can see how chocolate's been made. It's a shame if I ate that. Well, it wouldn't be doing me any good. But come on, let's go see what else we can find. Look at this place, Alula, Arabia. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Look at this big screen. Wow, look at that. That is incredible. Right then, this geezer behind me with a very dodgy tash, but it is Movember or whatever. There seems to be a lot of people around here with moustaches. It is November, and I know it's that time. Maybe he's actually got a real moustache. They'll give me an Arabian date to try. That's super good. Better than all the chocolate that they're giving away. I can hear drums and I can hear entertainment, and it's coming from down here, look. Let's get down here, look. So it's quite a noisy place. There's loads of different things going on. And it literally is like traveling the world. You can see all the different cultures, what they do, their traditional dances. Here we go, look. Wow, look at that. He's like guarding the door, he won't let me through. He won't let me through, look. This lady keeps offering me a financial time, so I'm actually going to take it. I've got no money though, is that alright? Am I allowed to read this if I'm absolutely skint? Brilliant, fantastic. Financial Times, let's make some money. Wow, look, this guy's doing a little bit of pottery, look. Wow. Don't know what he's making. What are you making? Whatever you feel like.
Cups, vases.
Wow, perfect. Look at that. And this lady's doing some tapestry of some kind. Doing some mad crazy writing. I think he's writing people's names, I'm not sure. Here we go, look, I said you could have a little go of this. This lady doesn't even know I'm filming her, look, she can't even see me. But she's having lots of fun. So outside the actual arena, look, you've got loads of places to eat and drink. I tell you what, it's all about food in London. Everywhere I go is about food and drink. And there's no different here. There's plenty of places where you can get yourself a snack, a drink, something to eat, a coffee, a sandwich, you name it, they've got it. But be prepared to spend your money. Let me show you the prices. Here we go, £2.50 for a can of pop and 9 to 14 euros or £15.50 for a burger. Oh my days. And you know for a fact Mr TravelON is not paying them prices. I bought my own packed lunch, meal deal from Tesco's Express. That is the way forward. Come on, let's see what else we can see. Right, you've also got all the airlines here, look, and you know Mr TravelON loves these planes. One day I'm going to fly on your plane and get one of them. Wow, beautiful, look. There you go, this is the posh one. Is that first class?
This is business class.
Business, right. Welcome to a new Mr TravelON video where I am flying business class on Etihad Airways. Yes, indeed. I've gone right up in the world and check me out. As if Mr TravelON would be affording business class, but this is what business class on an Etihad flight looks like. Got the seat, plenty of legroom, and it actually reclines as well. Look, check this out. This is it reclined. So you can actually lie down in here and stretch your legs out. That is unbelievable. And you've got a big TV screen here. Let me get in here. Look at this. Flying business class, Etihad Airways. I'm literally going to have a little sleep here. I'm going to put the telly on, get some snacks. I'm going to be rocking and rolling in here. This is the way to travel. And I'm 6 foot. And look, my feet are reaching all the way to the bottom. Look at that. So there you go. Etihad business class. Like, follow and subscribe for more posh ways to travel. So there you go, that was a little look at the World Travel Market in London at the Excel. I've got myself some freebies, which is well worth coming for. I've got a collection of different branded products, from books to pens, you name it. But is it worth coming? Well, to be honest, I've been for the last 3 years and it's gone downhill. I don't think I'll be back again. The World Travel Market, the people that they've had doing the conferences and the presentations seem so far away from what travel is about. And it just seems to be a lot of corporate chatter, big words, and the usual agenda words, which is all they are going on about. What they seem to forget is that people want to travel because they want a break from their normal, mundane life. They want a bit of sea, a bit of sun, a bit of sand, and a bit of everything else. But it seems to me that the travel industry has some different ideas of what travel should be and where they're heading. I can't see it ever going that way. So let me know in the comments, do you make your decisions on where you go on holiday and how you book based on the big words that they use, like sustainability, inclusion, green, or do you go straight online and look for the best deal? In my opinion, I think it's the latter, but I may be wrong. So I'm asking you the question, let me know in the comments. How do you book your holidays and what you're looking for? I reckon it's going to be 99% value for money. And you know who's value for money? Mr TravelON, because he don't like spending money. So if you want to book trips, tours and excursions, you know where to go. www.travelon.world. I'm going to go. Maybe I'll be back next year. Maybe I won't. See you later.